Do you want to know that how to remove the background from any image? So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can do it and how you can remove the background from the image like this. And yes, you can earn the money with this trick. If you want to work on the Fiverr, then still you can upload a gig that how you will remove the background, and you will see that a lot of people will order you from the Fiverr, and you can simply get 5 to 10 to $20 for every order. All you have is to upload the image to a website, and after this you can get the background removed easily. All you have is to upload the picture. I'm going to tell you in this video that how you can do it, and without wasting your time, let's continue the video. And before moving on, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, either like or dislike, but do subscribe and don't forget to notified for the more videos. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Sam and you're watching daily tutorial. So let me take you to my laptop screen, but before moving on, please do subscribe, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment box. And also upload a gig on the Fiverr that you will remove the background from the image. Make the gig very pretty, and according to the standards, you will see a lot of people will come to you just to remove the background from any image. But let me first tell you that if the image and the background are too close that the software cannot identify those, then my dear friends, you are not going to get the good results. But still you can get the background removed, and after this you have to do some work manually from the Adobe Photoshop or any other tool you want to use. So let's go to the laptop screen.
For this purpose, you have to access a website which is known as background remove. When you type this on the Google, you have to click on this first link, which is remove.background. So when you click on it, it will take you to the website which is remove.bg. You can see the link here. Once it will load, then you can see that here is two options that you can choose. Either you can select a photo or you can enter the URL. So I'm going to select the photo. Once I will click on it, I have to choose that image from which I want to remove the background. So once I will choose that image, you can see that within a seconds you will see there is a background difference between these two images, and I can easily choose any background for this image. So once you will see the results, you have to click on this download button, and then you will see the image with the background removed. So it's easy way that you can do it.
I think you may like this video. If you like, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you next time.